In this lesson, we'll learn the characters ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Before we start, let's talk about short and long vowel sounds in Japanese. We learned that there are only 5 vowel sounds in Japanese: a, I, u, e, o. In addition to these 5 vowel sounds, you'll encounter long versions of each vowel. When pronouncing a long vowel, you would simply extend the vowel for an extra syllable. See if you can hear the difference between a short a and a long a. Oba-san, oba-san. Whenever you see a double vowel, you'll pronounce it as a long vowel. For example, okaa-san, chisai, onee-san, fusen, kori. Note that an ei combination often creates a long e sound. For example, sensei. An ou combination often creates a long o sound. For example, otou-san. This character is ka. Ka. Which of these characters is ka? Ka. Aka. Aka. Ika. Ika. Kau. Kau. This character is ki. Ki. Which of these characters is ki? Ki. Aki. Aki. Eki. Eki. Ookii. Ookii. This character is ku. Ku. Which of these characters is ku? Ku. Iku. Iku. Kaku. Kaku. Kiku. Kiku. This character is ke. Ke. Which of these characters is ke? Ke. Ike. Ike. Kaikei. Kaikei. This character is ko. Ko. Which of these characters is ko? Ko. Koi. Koi. 声、声。空港、空港。